What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q, back. I'm in my new whip today. Ooh. Nah, I took Jasmine out for a walk, guys. So my wife is actually out of town. So I decided to bring her car to the car wash and get it washed for her while she's gone. You know, gotta treat it right, man. You gotta treat not only Red right, you gotta treat my wife right, man. Cause you know, a lot of the stuff y'all see on YouTube, man, and all that, she puts up and deals with a lot of it, all the questions I ask. And should I do this video, that video? How should I do it? So yeah, man, so we gonna take care of her. She out of town, so when we get back, it'll be all clean for her. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. See y'all here in a second. All right, guys, so we got the car, Jasmine, but Brio calls it all cleaned up, as y'all can see. Something about this color, man. Y'all know we got the same color vehicles, so it's kind of weird. We did not do that on purpose. That was an accident. It just kind of happened. She got hers first and I got mine. But my guy Elliot, it's funny. Elliot has the F-150 and his wife has the same exact Jeep as my wife. They both have their vehicles in white. So Elliot was like, hey, bro, you got to do a picture of your truck and your wife's car, Jeep, and his truck and his wife's Jeep, you know, and put them together and say, who would you choose? Now I'm going to go ahead and put some gas in this joint. Gas right now in Dallas, if y'all wondering, $2.90, you know, which is not bad. I'm gonna tell y'all, Bria do not play about her car. This woman keeps her car clean, gas, tires rotated in balance, all that. She do not play about her car. It took for a while, forever, for her to finally let me start driving her vehicles, guys. She did not used to let me drive. I know she watching. She had wipes, she had wheel cleaner, she had towels, she had leather cleaner, she had everything's in the back. So I'm telling you, my like, that's kind of sexy about it too. She actually take care of her car. You know, some women just have trash out in the back and everything. But anyway, how much it took to fill up? Let's see, 21. So we'll go ahead and top it. I got to go to 2180 at least. All right, there we go. So 2180 to fill up. She used 87, thankfully. So we still out here shopping for Bria, right? I actually just got the last pair. That was the last pair they had in her size. Literally the last pair. So it was meant to be. So now I gotta wait one more stop. We gotta go to Sephora to get her this perfume that she wants. So yeah, so we head over here right now. Guys, I'm telling y'all, it is so freaking hot in Dallas this weekend. Sheesh. Look, I always bring a towel with me when I go out, bro. It is that hot, man. Like, you instantly start sweating as soon as you touch outside. Woo. Tell y'all, the worst thing you can do is take a shower and then go outside of Dallas. You need to take a shower, wait like an hour or two, and then go outside. You go instantly sweat you go sweat. Anyway, let's show y'all what we got. Mrs. Williams here. All right, let's see. So we got the DSW bag. I'm gonna start with the smaller one first. Perfume that she's been wanting. Yves Saint Laurent Eau de Parfum. So we got that for her. She's been wanting that for a while. And then we got her these boots, which I actually really dig these boots. Think about me, guys. I love a sexy pair of heels or boots on a woman. Love that. So we got her these, and I actually dig these. So she wanted these right here, man. These are some they are Steve Madden something. Y'all can see they're like a white cream color. I'm trying to show y'all in the light. Yeah, something like that, like a white cream. But yeah, that's what we got. Yeah, man, that's a little small act of kindness for her. You know, like I said, she did the you know, she always comes on the channel. So, and usually I don't show when I give people stuff like this, guys. But yeah, y'all know my wife. She's on the channel all the time, so a little something different. But yeah, I can't say that I always try to do that, like be considerate and take care. I need to do it more, you know. So maybe a reminder to you, if you watch this video, take care of your wife, your loved ones. Let them know you feel appreciated. You know, it may not be buying them something. Everybody got their own love language, you know, so just make sure you're taking care of the person you love. But yeah, so hopefully you'll be happy with that. Let's get to the next part of this video. Not sure where we gonna be at, where this go connect, but yeah, here we go. What's up, guys? So I'm out here. Guess what I'm at? Let me show y'all. Let's show y'all where we at. Yes, sir. Out here at the Cowboys open practice to the public. I think one more game left in the preseason. So y'all wondering, this is first team defense. That offense is down there, the red jerseys. It's pretty dope to see though. They got a good crowd out here too, man. So you know how we do, Cowboy Blue, man. Cowboy Nation will always show up, you feel me? You got some real live action here with real life. Yeah, you got your front seven on the zone scheme, and they got one-on-one pass down there. And it goes on in, boom. Ooh, good cut. Good cut. Like that. Jack and Gallup. Back on the fade. Got it. All right, guys, so we got Zeke down here. Right here. Yeah, got this here. Right there, 21. Green hill. Oh, you get a green cap. That means don't touch me. All right, here we go. First team line, first team running back, tight end. Here goes Zeke. Here goes Zeke, zone. Okay, get out of there. There it is. And Jarvis done caught like 4 balls. Frank Moore's gonna pop in. Got the runs. Gallup. If you've seen some of me and Brielle videos, y'all know this is the full center. They got the Cowboys practice. Like, this is a turf area for friends, family, kids come out and play. This is like training center, Nike store, a whole bunch of restaurant stuff. Just starting Frisco, if y'all wondering. But yeah, man, that's cool that they do that every year, open to the practice to the public, you know, let y'all come out and let people come out and watch them and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool that they do that. So that was my first time. I've been wanting to do that for years, bro. So I actually made it happen. I'm gonna come watch the practice by myself. You feel me? That was cool. Hope y'all enjoyed the little clip. I don't know what it's gonna be in the video. I think the video probably gonna be all over the place, you feel me? But it's all good. Just something a little different than what I normally do, just truck stuff. Kind of like more of a vlog stuff, but I think I'm about to go get something to eat. Yep, by myself. It just me kicking it with Q today, kicking it with myself. All right, what's up, everybody?
I have to look at the video first. Oh, is it live?
No, it's not live.
Okay.
I got my cousin up first time driving my truck. You go.
Right,
you ever drove truck?
I have, not this big.
Not this big though. You can raise the seat up if you want to. It's another.
I be needing it.
Hold on. There you go. Yeah, you raise it up. You got it.
Do you have like the little?
What's that?
The little,
my camera stopped. Yeah, it stopped working.
Okay.
Yeah, it stopped working.
Oh, this is so hot. Goodness, I feel like I got a tiptoe.
That's how Pee Wee do when you drive. Be scared.
Okay. I don't feel like I'm scared, but
you say you don't feel like you're scared?
You know, this is fun.
She said it's fun. You like it, huh? I told you can see everything.
Yes.
It ain't that bad, I'm telling you. Like, when you get in here, you actually can see way more down the road. You know
I'm
what
just
I'm
scared to turn onto the street with oncoming cars.
If anything, they see you. So, if anything, if somebody hit you in this, they just can't drive.
Right.
Because they can see you.
Okay,
which way
should I go?
You want to go to street? Go to the right.
Okay. I'll be a daredevil.
Oh, okay. Look, see, it's turn different. It's how far.
Yeah, you gotta go out a little bit. Okay, I got this.
Yeah.
I got this.
Ain't that bad. So it's still bumpy. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's good. You ain't breaking nothing, trust me.
Look, my kids would love this.
They would. Okay.
Damn, no cars coming.
No cars. Go ahead. You're right. Switch. This regular truck is just tall.
Okay. See, I can do this.
Yeah.
Not every day.
She said not every day. Honestly, once you go up like this, you don't want to go back down.
See, I'm a truck person.
Are you okay?
I am.
Yeah.
But right now I got a car and I be feeling so low to the ground.
Exactly. So you get up in this, you don't want to go back down.
Oh, you know, yeah, I could drive this.
See? Yeah, you can?
I could.
Yeah, every day. Okay, go at one light, we'll turn around.
Okay, see, you trust me now.
Yeah, I trust you.
Okay, she got it. I can't see out this mirror over here.
Oh, you can't. Hey, show the check.
Get over.
You know what we gonna do? Just go straight. We gonna just make rights. How about that?
Okay,
just keep going right.
Just take me in a circle.
Yeah, take you.
That's a bunch of rights to do it.
So what you think about like width? It seems like it's hard to keep in the road. Like you feel like you too wide.
No, it don't.
Yeah.
I feel like so not too long ago I had to drive one of those.
Oh, van? Okay.
Yeah.
One of those. Okay.
And I was nervous.
Yeah.
So I think that kind of helped me out a little bit. Am I turning right here?
Yeah, make it right here. See the cones.
Let's turn right here. Get my turn.
Right, there you go.
Get my turn.
you can go fast. Go ahead.
Okay, I can go fast?
Yeah, there you go.
Go ahead and put a little bit on it.
Yeah, she said go ahead and put a little bit on it. You feeling different?
This is nice.
Thank you. See, it ain't that bad. So you like it?
I do.
You gotta get your husband one. Tell him to get one.
I don't know.
He might not like it.
He probably just to drive sometimes.
Okay.
He ain't gonna be trying to ride like this all the time though.
Now I got a question. Do
He's
it
gonna
feel?
be worried about the gas.
I'm telling you, I get like 12 miles a gallon. 12.9.
That's it?
That's it, Shayna. If I say smiles per gallon, you see that smile behind that mask? You smiling right now. That's what it's about. It ain't about the miles, it's about the smile. That's what I tell people.
Little cars, little people on the road.
She said little cars, little people. If you can make a right here, I don't know how to get back to my mom's house for real, unless you go. You can go to the light and pop a U-turn. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that.
Do a U-turn.
Yeah, you good on the left. You can get over.
Yeah,
Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Y'all get out the way.
Don't it feel like that though? Like just move out the way. Like y'all move. I got this.
You own the street.
Exactly. Especially at nighttime, my lights. I hate to say this, my lights be so bright. People just move out the way.
They just get out the way.
Yep.
See, that's the way you want it.
Yep. You gotta pop that U-turn.
Go ahead and get away from it.
So you probably have to swing it wide. And swing it wide, and it might be. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, you got it. Look at you. Okay. Okay, fam. I see you. Yeah, you need one. You good. Yeah, you ain't got no problem whipping this boy. You whipping it like you drove before. Yeah. Y'all saw that U-turn. She whipped.
Did it. See, I told you I'm a truck person.
But yeah, you probably driving it. Honestly, beside you driving pretty good. Like you comfortable with it. You instantly comfortable. You don't seem like you're scared of it.
Okay, yeah. See, once I could see that I wasn't gonna be just hitting people and stuff.
Yeah.
I was good.
Do it feel bumpier like than your normal car?
I can feel some bumps.
Yeah.
I can feel some bumps.
It's different.
It's not bad though.
Right. And it's just cause like the height, you're so tall now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
As opposed to being, low to the ground, a normal car, like a normal car.
It seems like it's hard to park though. Is it hard to park?
It is, depending on where you're at. I usually park at the back of the parking lot.
That's what I would do.
Or like parallel parking. Parallel parking not that bad actually.
See, I wouldn't even attempt to parallel park.
Really? Yeah, you gotta get in where you fit.
So you gonna have to park this. If you try to get back where we were when we started,
you ain't gonna be able to do it?
No.
I sure gonna make you do it, guys.
No, you wouldn't.
You don't think you can parallel park it? You can do it. We'll try. If you can't get it, I'll get it.
Parallel park my car.
Oh boy, that's funny.
That's that thing on the test that you just.
Oh, you talking about the driving test?
Where you know what? I'm not gonna be parallel parking anyway. I just gotta do it good enough to pass this test. That was my
That's funny.
That was my outlook on that. Get here good enough to pass.
Just do it to pass the test. I'm in the cones.
I'm in the cones. I'm good.
We'll give it a little gas, a little floor. We on 37, so it's a little slower than what she used to be. She ain't as light as her feet though, but she's still a little quick. I want you to get a little. Okay. Well, hold on, get straight and then get a little. Hold on. Yeah, you ain't scared.
Get out the way.
You ain't scared at all.
Nah, I feel comfortable.
You feel? I see. You feel hella comfortable. Actually, you can park over here on this side. Just look back around.
Where the house at?
Right there. You better see your left, right there.
Oh, okay.
Turn around. You can go down here and turn around, or you can pop it right here.
I think I got this.
Okay, Shane, I ain't see it. Hey, I see you. I ain't gonna lie. You you very comfortable behind the wheel. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I am.
You is very comfortable behind the wheel. My mama still ain't drove this truck though.
She had lady will probably ain't.
She ain't going to. I want her to so bad. Let me take her out of sport mode. Go ahead, you good.
Okay.
You good. Go ahead.
All right,
that way ain't this twitchy.
Where are you parking at?
Parking in front of the. Who? That's your car?
In front of this black.
Yeah, black Honda. You park in front of it.
Make sure I gotta go slow through.
Oh, so you don't like being around the car?
They make me uncomfortable. I can't be responsible. But
there you go. Yeah, all the way over. Keep going. You got some more room.
That mailbox I can't take.
All right, back up. Yeah, you got room. Can you see your mirrors over here?
I can see it now.
All right, you can see that over there? All right, go ahead. Back it up. You should be good. There you go.
Is that even close enough?
Nah, keep going.
I feel like I need to do a curve check.
You got some more room.
I got to go up some more?
Yeah, a lot more. Keep going. All right, straighten it out.
Okay.
Yeah, straighten it out.
I ain't too close to the
Nah, it's gonna start beeping.
Okay, good.
All right, there you go. You good. Now just pull it forward a little bit and you good. Yeah, straighten out, pull it forward. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Hey, girl, go ahead, guys. Yeah. Hey, for real though, I do want to shout out your boys. Hey,
about your boys. So I have 3 amateur boxers. Yeah. And they are at Belt Dreams.
I'll put it down there for y'all.
With a Z. Go check them out. Give them a follow. You will be satisfied?
You won't be disappointed.
You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, you won't be disappointed.
That's it. You won't be disappointed at Belt Dreams. So my youngest, he is 9. He just won the Junior Olympics.
That's what's up. Junior Olympics. Hold on. Junior Olympics. You feel me?
Olympics.
What's his name? Shout him out.
That's one step away from the Olympics.
Shout him out. What's his name? Shout him out.
His name is Peyton.
Peyton.
Damani. And Amarian.
And they all box.
And then this week we are headed to Missouri for the Silver Gloves Nationals. Okay, Silver. All right, guys. So I'm gonna tag their IG down there. Y'all definitely go check them out. Big deal, man. They gonna be my security. I tell you, I don't play it out. But for real though, that's what's up, man. They really boss. They good. I've seen the videos. Y'all go check them out. Belt Dreams. Put it right there for y'all. Y'all can see it. Go check them out. So yeah, man. But anyway, my cousin. So me and Shani, y'all ain't introduced her. We grew up together like long. We did. I'm talking about if I can find a picture, I'm gonna put a picture right there for y'all. When we was me, you, and Trez. Yeah, so we grew up together a long time ago. So anyway, guys, her first time driving it. We go back.
Way back. Path the brand back. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching the video. Thank you, cuz, for driving it. Good to see you.
Thank you. I had fun.
Yeah, she had fun too. She comfortable, real comfortable behind the wheel. So she might need to let the truck her future. But anyway, we'll catch y'all next and say bye.
Bye.
All right, appreciate y'all. Peace.